Hi, we're going to go ahead and unbox the Veken handheld vacuum. It's a dry and a wet vacuum. And this one is model CZK6625. And this is what it looks like. So let's go ahead and we're going to open it, check out all the parts and pieces, assemble it, and get it working. Because I have family coming in for the holidays. So here's that. We'll unbox this first. First of all, it comes in awesome wrapping paper. I mean, not wrapping paper, bubble wrap, but might be used for wrapping paper. We've got some tape holding it, and it's tape that doesn't make it sticky. That's always a plus. Just playing with buttons. We've got that little guy, and that for the filter. The filter comes out rather nice. Oh, this is a really good little quality filter as well. So it only can go back in one way. And then this is your, oh, it's already started, your on and off switch. So there we go. We're ready to get working. So let's look at the other pieces that come with it. We've got our manual, and then we've got a little hose. So this is how long the hose is. Let me look and see. It might have it in the directions, but you're looking at 12 inches there. We've got our base, which charges, so you just stick it right in there. It's always ready to go. That's cool. And what else do we have? We have a brush cleaner, so if something gets stuck inside, I don't know what the name of it is, the bin. We've got this guy, look at that, free lifetime return and refund service. And they're on Facebook, email, and a lovely little thank you note. Oh, we've got this little guy, so when you need to reach into some corners there. And I was looking at this and I'm like, I don't know where this goes to because it has this angle. But then I'm opening this up and it looks like there's these as well. So this will fit on here. They're adapters. And then, not that one. This must be for this brush head. So this is a wider brush head. And I love how they're always so clean, but once they hit my home, they won't be so clean anymore. Okay, what am I missing? Oh, this one goes in here? No. I don't know what I'm missing. This is why I do this. Oh, I know. Let's look at some instructions. Oh, there we go. So that one fits in there. So I'll most likely just use that. And then does this one fit in here? No. This must be for a different piece. So let's see. There we go. So maybe this is for something in the future, but we could always, again, look at the instructions as to what comes with it. 2 connectors. So this must be for a different size connector, unless I'm missing something, because they're the exact same size. So this must come with other attachments that we don't have. So if we wanted to get something in like a tight corner, we would, how would we stick this on here? I'm saying open this up, stick this in here. Hold on, we've got this. Oh, this goes in here. There we go. Figured it out. And this is why I like to unbox, because that way you guys all get to see what's going on as well. And then this goes in here. Like that. And then this goes in here. Right? This one's a little bit harder. Let's see. There we go. It's going to pop in there. Ah, there we go. We're just going to turn it the face in the right way, and then you turn that on. Oh yeah. Now, let me tell you, the air comes out of here. So if you have anything nearby, it's gonna go blowing out there. So like for me, I have these little, I just happen to have like these little pieces of paper, and I didn't realize, and they went flying all over my carpet. So note that there is air that comes out of this side here. So other than that, it looks to be working well. I'm going to go try it and we'll see how it goes. So I have a craft room, and I always have these little bits and pieces everywhere. So we're going to test it out on these little bits and pieces. There's glitter. Ooh. It's a little white. Daggone. I definitely will be giving this a good review. So check it out. It's the Veken handheld vacuum. Good job.